Hi Capricorn, welcome to Aurora Hotels. This is the monthly forecast for June 2021. You can look this up for Sun, Moon and Rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. I have the cards laid out here. So the first position is past influence affecting this month. There is Tower here. We have Judgment in the main theme. Two of Wands in roadblocks. Nine of Pentacles in possibilities. I'm taking out additional cards for love reading. So there is Ace of Wands for singles, High Priestess for people who are married or are in a relationship. So let's see what are the messages for you this month. So I would take out one more card for clarity. We have Ace of Cups here. There is some kind of disruption or a shake-up that will happen in your life or has already happened. It could be in any aspect of your life, be it work, relationship, friends, your belief system, health. It's like reaching a breaking point. However, this shake-up will finally help you get out of things or situations that no longer work for you. With Ace of Cups here, it could be a new love, a new understanding, a new motivation, a new inspiration that may be coming into your life, a new love for yourself, and a new love for life. So if you've had disturbance at your job, or you may have lost your job, or some kind of an upsetting incident which would have taken place very recently in your past, you would eventually get what you love. Don't lose hope. If your relationship is at a breaking point and you are left with no choice but to leave, new love could come your way very soon. Ace of Cups also means self-love. So it would be a good time to work upon yourself and good things will fall in place for you. With Ace of Cups here, whatever turbulence that happens in your relationship and the breakup that you go through, which could be probably very messy and very violent for some, it would actually be a breather for you to get out of this toxic relationship. If you're single, you will have to leave the past baggage behind to move on. So let go of the past hurt which makes you doubt yourself. New love soon enters your life. In general, new hope, better opportunities would come your way. I also see some kind of misunderstanding clearing out with a new level of understanding. This disruption has or will happen to release the unwanted in your life. Let's move to the main theme. I would take out one more card. There is Eight of Swords here. Old ways of thinking or your belief system needs that reboot and needs that transformation. With Eight of Swords here, you need to make decisions to overcome restrictions and limitations that you face. So you have to get out of that hopelessness and helplessness, or it could even mean living in a denial and not really making those critical decisions which are not allowing you to move forward, which are just limiting you and restricting you. With Eight of Swords, you may feel confused and trapped. You are not able to see the best way forward. Judgment shows up when there is a need for you to step up and be the leader who is speaking the truth, who is being more assertive, to stand for yourself or probably to stand in a situation which is right and need your support. On a positive note, this card shows up around endings and new beginnings. So there are new beginnings definitely coming in. Let's move to the roadblocks. I would take out one more card. We have Eight of Wands here. Looks like this month is all about some very critical, very important decisions that you need to make. So, Two of Wands, Judgment, Eight of Swords, where you are unable to probably decide for yourself and you're confused and trapped, are all talking about your inability to help yourself or your inability to decide on something. Two of Wands in a block position indicates difficulties in making the decision, possibly due to fear of making the wrong choice. Probably you have a couple of choices, however, looks like something is preventing you from having clarity on which choice to invest in. Two of Wands generally shows someone with a strong willpower. However, when it is in a block position, it indicates weak will. You may be feeling tired and unmotivated. It may also mean you are deliberately taking your own sweet time to linger upon a decision or some situation. You are not deciding what are your next steps. You're not being agile and swift. Tower is disruption. Judgment is transformation. So whether you move forward or not, things will take its own turn. So it's best to be prepared and, if possible, get over on what's holding you back and move forward. Two of Wands in blocked position could also mean an unexpected turn of events that may totally take you by surprise. You could be startled by a sudden arrival of someone. Also, be careful of any kind of manipulation. For those wherein the ball lies in somebody else's court and you are waiting for some decision to come through, things may come slow. However, with the Judgment here, the answer that you've been waiting for would come through this month itself. Let's move to possibilities. Nine of Pentacles is surely a positive card. So a windfall or some kind of cash prize is coming your way. This is a good card for finances. Some of you may also plan a holiday or maybe investing in some renovation, or could be indulging in some luxury shopping. This is also a good time to invest in the market or make any kind of financial investment. However, do consult your analyst. Let's move to the love reading. For singles, Ace of Wands signifies new relationship. You may meet someone while traveling or connected to travel. If you've been trying to get stable status in your on and off relationship, you may be able to get more stability. If you are wanting to be in a relationship with this specific person, then treat this card as the answer. You will be able to make your move and they would say yes. With Page of Swords here, it could be somebody of Gemini, Libra or Aquarius sign. This person could be younger to you, someone who has a wonderful and a wild imagination, is very animated but very articulate. Let's move to the relationship reading. With High Priestess over here, you or your partner may be feeling withdrawn from each other. Your partner may be finding you aloof and unapproachable. With Judgment and Two of Wands, I see there is some decision or some deal breaker to be discussed and closed. It would be better if you decide now than waste each other's time and energy and before things get too complicated. High Priestess also advises you to not act hastily. Also, make your own decisions without being coaxed or getting influenced by others. I would take out one more card for guidance. It reads Why? Perfect culmination card. Sometimes, subconsciously, you're denying the truth. For instance, you may feel that you're still in love with your ex who broke up with you and you may want to get back. But deep down, you are looking to have that last word or the closure which may have been missing for some. So now is the time to ask why, to make choices that would in the long run work for you and will help you get deeper and get more clarity. So that's all for now. If you like this video and you were able to resonate with this reading, please leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Subscribe to Aurora Foretels for more updates. Keep watching. Much love.